Here in Middle Georgia, a Cordele doctor is fighting to keep his facility open.
Our Brianna Cook sat down with him to find out what can be done and joins us live now. Brianna?
Greg and Amanda, he is sounding the alarms to stay open.
We're in a crisis here.
Dr. Matthew Wayne is working to keep his doors open. MD White's Medical Institute, a pharmaceutical company, acquired the former A.S. Clark School and its associated 18 acres of land to preserve its historic significance to the African American community. It was the first public school built in Cordele that provided a public education to African Americans. It operated as a segregated school until forced integration in the 1970s. Dr. Wayne says he opened the facility after seeing an alarming number of premature black deaths in the community.
Chris County, which is the county that we sit, is ranked 152 out of 159 counties in overall good health of the citizens. We have some of the unhealthiest citizens in the state of Georgia.
The facility is the only one on that side of town, and it serves as a community service center, hosting a number of things like a wellness program, retirement parties, funerals, and repasses. Dr. Wayne's goal is to have social health equity programs to prevent chronic diseases and increase life expectancy. The wellness program provided COVID-19 vaccines to the community and active exercise programs. Dr. Wayne says alarms need to be sounding with the state of the black community in Cordele.
The morbidity rate here is just staggering. The disease rate and premature death rate is just alarming. And I would think in a major city or someplace where you have people more in tune to this would be a crisis. And the major resources would be mobilized.
Reaching out to local officials, Georgia senators, and the Biden campaign, Dr. Wayne says their calls for help for what he calls a crisis have gone unanswered.
There doesn't seem to be a voice as it relates to concerns about communities like this. This is a national problem. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of communities like this where resources are just not there, and you got these kind of very bad outcomes, and they don't seem to be addressed.
Dr. Wayne says his pharmaceutical company will live on even if the doors close, but he wishes to keep the facility to help the community for the better.
Things need to change, but most important, to do something about change, to do something, be a part of making a change. So I decided to try to be a part of making a change here.
A GoFundMe for the facility has been created, and you can find it on our website at WGXA.tv. Reporting live in studio, Brianna Cook, WGXA News.